Hi, Neal Hauschild with Nth Degree. Here we are in Lewis Center, just starting a job. Actually got a lot done this morning. Basically removed a wall from the old kitchen, which was a little bit small for this size of the house and a growing family. And this is the dining room, which they rarely ever use. We are going to expand this all into a huge kitchen. Have a great color cabinetry coming in and quartz countertops. So it's going to be pretty amazing. And we are going to add a lot of recessed lighting to increase the amount of light. But here we are in the demo phase, and check us back in a couple more days, and hopefully next week we'll have the cabinets already installed. So it's Neal with Nth Degree. Visit us on Facebook at Nth Degree Companies, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.